the previous video told us how we can do error handling in Python. After learning all of that, we wouldn't be in trouble that much. Okay, but there another concept which I want to tell you, and that concept is finally closed. You can also use finally along with try, except, or for clean. Which type of clean up UPIs it perform? I tell you all this is code edited in finally always get executed. It's irrespective of if error accurate or not. Okay, so code edit is finally effective. Okay, so now I will be not take a long time, and let's move to the computer screen and discuss this topic. And please follow me on my Facebook, and I will give you in my description on my Facebook page, Twitter and Instagram, and go and follow it. So now I will be not take a long time. So now yes, let's start it. So now I will be tell you what are finally clause. So first of all, we learn what are finally clause. The finally code block is also a part of exception handling. The finally code block is also the part of the exception handling. Okay, when you handle exception using the try and except block, we can include a finally block at the end. The finally block is always execute, so it is generally used for doing the concluding tasks like closing the file resources or closing database or connection, or maybe ending the program, or executing with a dialect full message. Okay, so here I will give you one syntax, but I will be not picking. Okay, so I will the finally block is execute in irrespective of the outcome of try except else blocks one of the important use case of finally block. It is a function which returns a value. So I hope you can understand it. What are finally clause, or you will be okay. So now we come to the one example here, and here I will be example. So I will be copying it. Okay, but first of all I will be here. I will be take you one and def func one index or q, and then I will be run. So here you will see the output will come like enter the index, and the index will be like 1, and it will give me the 5. I am always execute, and then here I will be go, and here I will write like 7. It will give the error. Some error occurs. I am always execute. Here will be see it is see, and when you will be write like 5 and enter to give the error. So why it will give the error? Because here I will be write the return only 1, and whenever here I will be write the 5, and whenever I will be write like 5, and then here I will be run. And now when I will be write like 1, it will give the here you can get 5. I am always execute, and whenever I will be write like the 5 some error, I am always execute. Whenever I will be here it is 5. So here it is 5. When here I will be write like 5, and here we will enter some error occurs. I am always execute. Whenever I will write like 1, so the error will not give, and the 5 is coming because here I will write like 5. That's why it will come. And here you will be write like some error. It will give, and you will be write like that also. Okay, and now you will be run it, and here like you will be seeing. And now here will be it is very easy. Okay, and now here you will be see it till you are done. And like 18 and 19, 20. Okay. So now here you will here I will tell you, and here you will be write like I am always execute, and here you will be write like I am always done. And whenever I will be run it, and here I will run it. So here I will first of all give you one error. So okay, here you will be seeing some error it will giving. I am always done, and here you will it is coming like that. Whenever I will write like 1, it will say 5. I always done. Here we can write like I always done. So that's why we're giving the I always done. So it is very easy to know what are finally clause in Python. And here we will give like here is the finally and print X. Whenever I will not write X, so it will not print anything. Like here I will be 8 and now here I will see 5. I'm always actually, but in the last number it will be not given 5 because here I will be not right like X. Okay, whenever I will write like X and whenever I will be 1 and whenever I will be write like 1 and enter, I'm always actually then the 1 year something like that. Easy. Okay. So here you will be write like enter the index and here you will be write like enter the number. It is your own side what you can write. Anything you will be write. Okay. And now I will be what we can do here. I will be go and I will be copy this example and here I will be paste it. Here I will be example like try num int and input enter the integer. Okay, like here it will be saying enter the integer and in my value it will be saying the enter the index. So, it is nothing, it is not a problem. Okay, here I will write like 5 which are integer. Integer accepted. This block is always executed here because here I will write whenever I will write like this block is always good. So it will give this block is always good. Okay, it is very easy. Like whenever here I will be writing like 5, so it will say this block is always good. Okay, and whenever I will be writing like 1, so it will give the number and enter it is not an integer, but the 1 is an integer, but 50 is not an integer. Okay. And whenever I will run and here I will run like 1.5. Number enter is not an integer. Why? Because here I will be write like decimal number like 1.58. It is a decimal, not an integer. Whenever I will be write like 5, so it will say the number integer should be accepted. Whenever I will be write like and how we run the number and enter is not an integer. Okay, and it is very simple to know both are finally clause and 19, 20, 21, 22, 28. Okay, it is very easy to know both are finally clause. And here you will be like integer accepted always. Okay, so here you will be write like anything. Okay, so it is very simple. Like here I will go and here I will be write here I will be write like 1 multiply by 1 multiply by my num block is shut down, that's why and now here we then multiply by it will say if the number integer is not an integer, and here you can see it. And whenever here I will be write like 1 integer accepted always. Why always is coming? Because here I will be write like always, and it is very easy. And here I will be doing syntax also, and here the output will come like that, and very easy as that. Okay, it is very easy. It is just very easy. Okay, so I hope you understand it. What are finally clause 19, 20, 21, 22, 28, 24, 25. Okay, so I hope you can know what are finally clause in Python. And I hope you enjoy this class. Like this video, share your friend, subscribe to my channel. And if you not follow me on my Facebook page or Twitter or Instagram, so go and follow it. I will be give you in my link. I will be give you my Facebook page link and my Instagram link and my Twitter link. Go and follow that because there are updates are coming of my videos. I will be upload my video on both because on my page there are updates. I will be updating the all people who will be asked the question like what are finally lost. I will be telling you all thing on my Facebook page. Please contact me on my Facebook, and I will be message you what you will be message me. I will be sending you one message. It's okay. So if you will enjoy this class, enjoy, like that video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you in next class and next very amazing class. So I'll meet you next time.
Te preocupação, ele te bota, soca, 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 soca.